So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of multi-level marketing website. So this is the latest script of MatrixLab multi-level marketing website. So using this script you can create your own multi-level marketing website and run it. So the main feature of this script is you don't need any coding knowledge to run this website. You can control this complete site from admin panel. In this video I will show you how we can control it and how we can use this website. So first of all, if you want to buy this script, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy the script. And the advantage you will get of buying from us is we will give you a free installation of this script if you have domain and hosting. But if you don't have domain and hosting, we also provide the complete website. So you can contact us and get your website. So let's start this video. First of all, you can see the amazing home page of this website. And here you can change everything from admin panel. So here you can see the option of get started and invest now. You can invest directly. When you click on invest now, you will be redirected to a login page. And here you can change this video, you can change this text, you can change everything that is on the home page. And here you can see the plans. You can create a multiple plans you want, you can create. And there's only one plan now, but you can create multiple plans from admin panel. I will show you how we will create them. But first of all, look at this. Here is the latest deposit, withdrawals. And when users will make deposits or withdrawals, they will be appeared right here. And here is FAQ, and there is the latest news. You can also insert blogs over this website, and this is a photo section. You can completely change these details. Here you can also visit these pages separately. For example, if I visited the plan section, so here I can easily visit these pages separately one by one. So let's go and sign in, and let's open the user panel of this website and let's see how. So here we have to enter our email. So I'm entering my email, and here I have to enter my password to log into this site. But if you don't have an account, you must have to sign up. So I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in, and it will redirect me to my user dashboard. So this is the user dashboard. Here you can see the referral link. Here user can see its current balance, deposit, withdrawals, total commission, latest transactions. To deposit money on this side, user just have to click on deposit money, and using any of the gateway, you can create gateways from admin panel. So I haven't created any gateway, but I will show you how we can create them. And user can easily deposit money using automatic payment gateway or manual gateway that you have specified for it. So here user can easily withdraw money. Similarly as case with deposit, here user can invest in different plans that are on your website. So here is how user can invest in plan. User just have to click on invest now, and user can invest in plan using its balance. Here is user can see blogs, and let's go back, and here are the transaction sections. User can view all its transactions right here in this section. And here are the referral option. User can see all its referred users. So just ignore this. So here user can see all its referred users. So currently user tree is empty, so it's showing only one user. But when it referred the other users, the tree will be appeared here. Here user can see referral commissions and referral levels. So this is account setting, e-balance transfer, e-pen transfer. All these settings are here. You can use them. So let's log out and let's log into our admin panel, and let's see how we can use the admin panel of this site. So let me go to admin panel. So here I have to enter my details, and I'm entering my details right here. And after that, when I click on login, it will redirect me to my admin panel. So this is the admin panel of the admin. Here you can admin can see total user, active user, all the details of site were here. You can completely control the sites from the admin panel. So here admin can see total notification, admin can change its password, profile, etc. all these things from here. And so here are the user section. Admin can check the users, see active user, banned user, and all these details. So there is only one user on site, so it is only showing one user. So you can add balance to the account of user, you can subtract balance, and you can control the sites of every feature of user. Here are some other user related activities, you can explore them. And here is a plan section. So from here we can create plan over the website. So you can see there is only one plan now on the website, but when I click on add plan, I can easily create any plan I want, and I can give a level commission up to any level I want to give it. So here are the plans, and here you can manage the pins. From payment gateways, you can create a gateways on your website for deposit or recharge. So these are all the automatic payment gateways, perfect money, coin payments, all these gateways are available. You just have to click on edit and you can insert your own details. So if you want to create any local payment gateways, EasyPaisa, Paytm or any gateway, you can easily create it from here by filling these simple details, or you can also insert a banking gateway from here. So here's a deposit section. Admin can approve or reject the deposit request of users. Here's the same case with withdraw. Admin can pen approve or reject the withdraw request. From support ticket, admin can communicate with the user and answer to the question of user. And here the admin can see all the report of the website, logs, etc. So when I go to general settings, basically I can change the site title, site currency, site symbol. I can change everything that I want. So let's go to system configuration. So here you can turn on off different features of the website. So from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website from here. From extension, you can insert the external extensions. You can change the language of site. You can insert any local language on the website. You can control the SEO, KYC. From notification, you can manage the email and SMS settings of the website. And here are the pages setting. You can manage the pages setting, and from section setting you can edit the home page of your website. So here is how I can edit the home page. For example, if I want to edit the about page, so you can change this everything that is on about page from here, and you can also change the image. Similarly, you can edit any of the section on the home page easily. So it is completely controllable site, and here you can turn on off maintenance mode and GDPR cookies, etc. So now if you want to buy the script, you can contact us and we will provide you the script. And if you need this complete website, you can also buy the complete website. So do like and subscribe to the channel, and also like the video and share this video to your friends who need this type of website.